Welcome back to our channel, Namami Brain Academy. My name is Mary and I want to thank you all for the love you have shown me for the previous classes. And in today's class, we will learn about fruits in Bodo and form sentences with the words. Let's start the class. Today's topic is fruits. Apple, apple. The sentence, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. सानसेयाव मोनसे आपेला डक्टरखौ गोजानाव दोनो. सानसेयाव मोनसे आपेला डक्टरखौ गोजानाव दोनो. Now, गोजानाव means away. गोजानाव means away. Now, next, mango, थाइजौ. I love to eat mango. आं थाइजौ जानो मोजां मोनो. आं थाइजौ जानो मोजां मोनो. जानो here means eat. जानो here means eat. Next, star fruit, खामरेंगा. खामरेंगाया जानो बिराद गोखै, which means the taste of star fruit is very sour. The taste of star fruit is very sour. Here, sour means गोखै. Sour means गोखै. Next, banana, थालिर. आं दिनै थालिर जादोंमोन. आं दिनै थालिर जादोंमोन. In English, I ate banana today. Next, grapes, आंगुर. आंगुरा जानो बिराद गोदै जायो, which means grapes are very sweet to eat. गोदै means sweet here. गोदै means sweet here. Next, orange, खमला. The sentence we are using here is we get good oranges from Bhutan, which is जों भुटाननिफ्राय बिराद मोजां खमला मोनो. जों भुटाननिफ्राय बिराद मोजां खमला मोनो. मोनो here means get. मोनो means get. Next, guava, सुमफ्राम. The sentence, I bought guavas from market today. I bought guavas from market today, which is आं दिनै हाथाइनिफ्राय सुमफ्राम लाबोदों. आं दिनै हाथाइनिफ्राय सुमफ्राम लाबोदों. हाथाइ means market. हाथाइ means market here. Next, sugarcane, खुसेर. The sentence, सुदेमनाव खुसेरनि बागान दं. सुदेमनाव खुसेरनि बागान दं. In English, Sudem owns a sugarcane farm. Sudem owns a sugarcane farm. Coconut, नारेंखल. Sentence, coconut is good for hair. नारेंखल थावा खानायनि थाखाय मोजां. नारेंखल थावा खानायनि थाखाय मोजां. Next, jackfruit, खान्थाल. जों खान्थाल बेगरजों ओंख्रि संनो हायो. In English, we can make curry from jackfruit seeds. Here, seed means begor. Seed means begor. Pomegranate, which means dalim. Sentence, pomegranate is good for blood. दालिमा थैनि थाखाय मोजां जायो. दालिमा थैनि थाखाय मोजां जायो. Here, थै means blood. थै means blood. Thank you for watching this video. In today's class, we have learned about fruits in Bodo and formed sentences with it. There will be more upcoming videos in future for learning. And if you have any doubt or suggestions, you can comment below.